Hi! Today I will show you guys how to disassemble a system unit. Before disassembling the system unit, make sure that you are wearing an anti-static wrist strap to avoid static electricity build-up. First step, remove the screws at the back of the system unit and remove the side cover. Second step, disconnect the side fan or system fan cable. Third step, remove the RAM or random access memory by pressing on the side clips. Fourth step, remove the buses, the SATA or IDE connectors, front panel and back panel connectors. Fifth step, remove the ODD or CD drive. Sixth step, remove the HDD or hard disk drive. Seventh step, remove the PSU or power supply unit box. Eighth step, remove the LAN card, but if you have a video card, you can also remove it. Ninth step, remove the CPU heatsink with fan. 10th step, lift the mobile or motherboard with caution. And lastly, remove the CPU or central processing unit. And now, we are going to assemble the system unit. Just reverse what we did a while ago. First, attach the CPU. Second, lift the mobile with caution. Third, attach the CPU heatsink with fan. Fourth, attach the LAN card or video card. Fifth, attach the PSU box. Sixth, attach the HDD. Seventh, attach the ODD or CD drive. step, attach the buses, the SATA or IDE connectors, front panel and back panel connectors. Ninth, attach the RAM by pressing on the side clips. 10th, connect the side fan or system fan cable. Lastly, attach the side cover and attach the screws at the back of the system unit. Thanks for watching!